Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's me, Moody. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Go ahead and click the notification bell so that you know when I post.
I do this all the time. I know, y'all know the situation. I ain't gotta keep speaking on it. I got some videos. I'm actually gonna put this one out before all my old videos because obvious reasons. But anyways.
So today, I did a look using the Morphe x James Charles Artistry Palette. If you guys want to see how I got this look and my thoughts and views on the palette, then just keep watching. Y'all already know why we are here today. You already know. You know why I'm here. I know why you're here. James Charles. Look at this. Will you look at this? His whole face is on the box. On the box. This is the palette, the Morphe x James Charles palette. Excuse all the fingerprints on it. But this palette, first off, is huge. I think it has 39 shadows. And it was $39. And this is what it looks like. It comes with the color names. I know Sister is on here somewhere. Code James, 10% off is on here. Brother. You know, Daddy. It's some cute little names on here. This, ooh. This is what the palette looks like. I love the colors in this. Unleash your inner artist. Oh, it's called the Artistry Palette. Yes, Artistry Palette, my bad. I'm really excited to have this palette because I realized my only colorful palette was Take Me to Brazil. Scratch that. To Jaclyn Hill too. But I don't know, something about this one. So anytime I'm using a product for the first time, or if I want to do like a first impressions video, I always try not to watch any video so that, you know, I can build my own opinion. But I will say I've already noticed that apparently there's a difference. No, apparently James Charles says that you're supposed to use a eyeshadow primer versus a concealer, because a lot of people use concealer nowadays, including myself. That's just what people have been saying. That's what I've heard. So what I'm going to do is do primer on one eye and concealer on the other eye. Yeah, and let's hope that I can do the look that I'm going for within an hour and a half. I'm trying to use a lot of colors. I wanted something really, really colorful. So yeah, let's go ahead and prime the eyes. I'm actually going to use the Morphe eyeshadow primer, eyelid primer. Oh, primer is so weird. Let's pack it on there. How about that? Let's just pack it on there versus rubbing it in. Okay. Ooh, it's everywhere and not smooth, but whatever. So on the other eyelid, I'm actually going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer and the highlighter. It's like their white concealer. I just noticed that we had this one in yesterday, and it was only one, and I got it. What? It is like, y'all see this? It is like dripping. What the heck? Okay. I'm actually going to be using some Morphe brushes as well. I got the little eye slay set. I'm going to start off by using this color. I'm not going to look for names right now. I'll look for them later. And I'm actually going to put this one right at my brow bone. That's like the highlight. We didn't get the James Charles brush sets at work. Okay, so this isn't showing up how I kind of expected it would, but that's alright. Oh, maybe if I... Okay, pack it on. Even in the brow bone. Okay. Ooh, I hope this goes how I want it to. I'm gonna put a little bit of yellow on top of it, because that's really what I wanted. Oh! Nice. There we go. I should zoom in. Should I zoom in? The yellow was a much better idea. Same with the packing. And so far, I don't know. So far, I think I might like the concealer shade. Concealer side. Next, I'm gonna go on with the orange. Put that right up under the yellow. My primer was not blended out very well, and I think that actually matters. I'm kind of upset. Definitely make sure your primer is like even, because you can't tell what I can. There's one true red in here. Well, there's one red in here. Hopefully it's a true red. But I'm gonna go on with the color right above it, which is more of a peachy light, I don't know, red. I'm gonna do the red too, but I just want to do this one first. It's kind of, you know. As you can see, I'm using the same one brush. I'm gonna change them in a little bit. Change it. Probably next, actually. Oh, I definitely like the concealer side better. This is my concealer side, right? Yeah. I didn't realize that it was like white and shimmery, kinda. But definitely. This one, the primer side where I used the Morphe Primer, it's like, some of it's not even catching on and it looks kind of patchy. I can see it, but I know y'all probably can't. It's not that big of a deal, but yeah, I'd rather use the highlighter, the concealer, obviously. Now I'm going with the red. Right up under that other color, in the crease, right in the crease. This is a red. This is certainly a red though. Yup. I gotta get me some P. Louise base, honey. They be lit. Now I'm gonna take the like light. What color is this? Like a light purple, like the plum. Same brush. I'm just putting color on top of color, honey. I'm probably about to lose the red. Now, the darker purple. Should I use the same brush? I think I need to go smaller. I will say I have to go back and forth a lot. Out of the palette, onto the eye, out of the palette, onto the eye. To build the color up. Because you have to pack it on before you blend it out. And then blue. Go in with the blue. I don't know how important all the colors are if they're just gonna all blend together though. I don't know if that's good or if that's pointless. Certain colors. I'm gonna go ahead and take that concealer, the white concealer, and cut my crease. Let's go and cut the crease. I need some P. Louise. So now I'm gonna put that purple on the edge. I'm done. I'm done. Eyeliner, eyelashes, let's move on. Not exactly what I wanted it to look like, but I think I did pretty good. I think I did pretty good. I used quite a few colors. Alright guys, so this is the completed eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I really like it actually. I think it turned out pretty cute. Not really how I wanted it to look, but it's not ugly. And yeah, I'll be back. So I will say I absolutely love this palette. It's a great artistry palette. It has a lot of great colors. The red is true, the yellow, the pinks, like everything about this palette is actually really, really beautiful. I love how they got like the more neutral, well, they got the more neutral, warmer shades at top, and then the more colorful, cooler shades at the bottom. And then here in the middle, the bigger sizes are like your more transition, everyday colors. And I love, love, love how this is made. Just don't like how big the palette is because it is large, which makes it a little bit harder for traveling. And the matte finish makes it get dirty easy. So the palettes on here are really good. They are pretty pigmented. But you do have to at the same time pack the colors on, which is with most palettes. Pack the colors on, but they're also super blendable, still going to be really blendable. Now, okay, like I said in the beginning, I saw that people were saying you're supposed to, or even people were telling me that you're supposed to use a primer with this palette. I use the Morphe Primer and I do not like it at all. Like, this eye, which I use to conceal with, looks so much better than this eye. Even I put primer underneath my eye and now my like foundation stuck to it and it will not move. So that kind of sucks. It's kind of patchy. I don't know. I guess it grabs onto some primer more than I don't even know what the problem is. But no, the concealer that I used worked perfectly. Overall, I really do love this palette. If you guys want to see more looks, any particular looks, or anything y'all want to see at all on my channel, just let me know. Let me know, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give it a like. Make sure you share, tag all your friends, all that good stuff. Follow me on all of my social media, and I'll see you guys in my next video.